Did you know that hundreds of Indian passport holders have incorrect or incomplete names in their passports? Maybe your entire name is printed in the given name field. Maybe there's no surname. Maybe you got married, divorced, adopted, or you simply want to correct your father's or mother's name. In this video, I'll explain all the common situations where you may need to change or correct your name in your Indian passport and how to do it correctly. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. On this channel, I help you with Indian passport renewal, OCI card applications, visas, and travel-related forms step by step. And if you need affidavit templates, consent letters, or supporting documents for your passport application, you can find them on my website, www.timelesstrekker.com. Let's start with one of the most common problems, split name. This usually happens when your first name and last name are combined in the given name field or in the last or surname field. Or your passport says FNU or first name unknown. This becomes a major issue when applying for a driver's license in the US, or buying a property or applying for a loan, airline tickets, social security, or other immigration applications. In all documents, your name will be combined. So many people later realize they need to split their name properly. For example, instead of given name, Ravi Kumar and surname blank. You may want surname in the surname field. That is given name, Ravi and surname Kumar. In this situation, you must apply under change in existing personal particulars. Then check surname and enter your correct split name in the application form. Along with that, you may need supporting documents, such as an affidavit for split name or consent letter stating that you consent to this change and a valid ID, such as a driver's license, that shows your corrected name. Another common situation is adding a middle name. Maybe your middle name was never included earlier, or you now want your passport to match your other documents like Aadhaar card, driver's license, or educational records. Again, this is treated as a name change or name correction. In this situation, you must apply under change in existing personal particulars and select others. Along with that, you may need supporting documents, such as an affidavit for addition for middle name or consent letter, stating that you consent to this change and a valid ID, such as a driver's license, that shows your corrected name. Sometimes people need to correct their father's or mother's name. Maybe there is a spelling mistake, missing middle name, or incorrect surname. In that case, you can request correction while renewing or reissuing the passport. You must apply for a change in existing personal particulars and select others. Supporting documents may include parent's passport, birth certificate, school records, and an affidavit requesting the change. Another very common request is adding the spouse's name after marriage, or removing the spouse's name after divorce. If you recently got married and want your spouse's name added in your Indian passport, you can apply under change in personal particulars. Usually documents such as a marriage or divorce certificate, a spouse's passport, joint declarations, or an affidavit will be required. Some people want to change their last name after marriage or divorce. Others may have been adopted and want to change their surname to their adoptive parents' last name. These situations also fall under name change, and depending on the case, you may need a marriage or divorce decree, adoption documents, court order, or affidavits. Now here's the most important thing. When filling out the Indian passport application form, you must select change in existing personal particulars. Then select the appropriate box and enter the corrected or updated name exactly how you want it printed in the new passport in the application form. Do not enter the old incorrect information if you want it corrected. Most people do not have an idea about how the consent letters or an affidavits be drafted that is acceptable by the Indian consulates. We've carefully drafted these affidavits, consent letters, and undertaking templates to help make the Indian passport, OCI, and other Indian consular services processes easier for everyone. You can download them from my website, www.timelesstrekker.com. Click the store, then click Travel Documents. Look for the document that meets your requirements. If you do not find a document for your situation, reach out to us via the Contact US web form, and we will draft a document tailored to your situation. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with someone struggling with passport name correction issues. And comment below what type of name correction you're applying for. I may make a detailed video on that specific situation next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.